Taas mo konti. Tara.
It can be open like this.
Mamaya, no. Mahangin, no. Bilis. We're going this way.
Wow.
Every child matters. We're going to Tim Hortons, guys. Exit lang dyan. Go. All the proceeds for the orange sprinkle donut will be donated. There. Ito sa akin. Are now dancing. Go bike. Ay ano, shoulder. Doon ang airport sa binabagsakan. Sa nilalandingan nila. Napakalapit lang namin sa airport, guys. Pero good thing, hindi naman siya narinig sa loob ng bahay. So guys, nandito na naman kami sa Legion Memorial Sports Park. Kulang-kulang na yung letters doon. Here si Kay! Come on, cross! Let's take a picture here! Solo namin guys yung playground. Kasi masyadong mahangin ngayon. Ay! Nilipad ako. Hat! My hat! Naririnig niya ba yung hangin? It's fall season and it started last September 22nd. The trees are dancing. One more time. Push yourself harder. You're in Canada. You make it. One more time.
Bye-bye.
Sige! Sige lang! Hanggang mamaya! Guys, ang lamig! Ah! Tornado! Ayun na yung mga aeroplano guys. Yan yung airport. Diyan sila nagpa-park. Kaya ito ay tinawag na Airport Park. Yan si CK. Right, CK?
What?
Okay. Yan na. I'll take a picture there. How to get down here?
That's not how to get.
Ouch! Oh my gosh, my belly piercing. It got stuck.
I see.
Sige, bagsak mo yan ah.
Okay, I'm gonna get down. Get down and move it over. Mom, I'm gonna do a bonus thing. Something bonus. I promise you, this is not gonna fall down. I promise you, it's not gonna fall down.
Huwag yan, nabagsak ka.
La 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 la. That was a funny time. Ah no! Oh no! Oh no!
Uwi na kami guys. Alam niyo ba kung bakit naka-sunglasses kami? Kasi dito ang hangin. Pwede kami magka-eye infection dahil sa wind.
I'm not even sick.
Minsan may mga bacteria or viral infection na dala yung hangin. And syempre, pag alikabok, pwede pa puwing yung mata natin. So kahit walang araw, naka-sunglasses kami ni CK. It's a bird! It's a plane! No! Yabang din naman ang forma. Pumorma talaga siya ng ganyan. Ano yan? Ano yan? Pagod? Or Riz? Ano yan? Pilay? Pwede ka naman malimos. Yabang. Let's go. Let's go home.